What if civilizations could grow powerful enough to harness the energy of entire planets? Or capture the full power of a star? Or even command the energy of an entire galaxy? This is the vision of the Kardashev Scale. A way of measuring civilizations not by culture, not by politics, not by technology alone, but by the amount of energy they can control. It's a cosmic scale of power. A scale that forces us to ask, how far could humanity really evolve? In 1964, Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev proposed a bold idea. He asked, how can we classify civilizations in the cosmos? His answer was simple but profound: by energy consumption. The more energy a civilization can harness, the more advanced it must be. Kardashev's scale had 3 types. Type 1, harness all the energy of a planet. Type 2, harness the energy of a star. Type 3, harness the energy of a galaxy. Since then, futurists and scientists have expanded the idea further. But the original scale remains one of the most inspiring frameworks for imagining the future. A Type 1 civilization is called a planetary civilization. It controls all the energy available on its home planet, about 10 to the power of 16 watts. That includes fossil fuels, solar power, nuclear energy, wind, tides, and geothermal sources. Nothing is wasted. Such a civilization could prevent natural disasters. It could control climate, redirect hurricanes, and manage earthquakes. Energy scarcity would vanish. Where are we today? Humanity is around 0.72 on the Kardashev scale, according to Carl Sagan's formula. We don't yet control all of Earth's energy, but we're getting closer. Imagine a future where our entire planet functions as one unified system, powered sustainably. That's what reaching Type 1 would mean. But the next step is enormous. A Type 2 civilization harnesses the full energy of its star, about 10 to the power of 26 watts. How could that work? One famous concept is the Dyson Sphere. First imagined by Freeman Dyson, it's a megastructure that surrounds a star, capturing its power. It wouldn't have to be a solid shell. More likely, it would be a swarm of satellites orbiting the star, each collecting solar energy and transmitting it back to the civilization. With this energy, a civilization could expand across its solar system, terraform planets, and build unimaginable structures. But the challenges are staggering. The scale is beyond anything humanity has attempted. The materials, the engineering, the coordination, it's almost unimaginable. And yet, it may be the natural path for civilizations that survive long enough. Beyond stellar power is galactic power. A Type 3 civilization controls the energy of an entire galaxy, around 10 to the power of 36 watts. This would mean harnessing billions of stars, colonizing star systems, manipulating black holes, even altering galaxies themselves. Such a civilization would appear godlike to us. It could build structures larger than solar systems, travel across galaxies in waves, and perhaps even reshape cosmic evolution. Astronomers have even looked for signs of Type 3 civilizations. By searching for unusual patterns in starlight, possible evidence of Dyson spheres, they hope to spot galactic engineering. So far, nothing definitive has been found. But if Type 3 civilizations exist, they might be visible on a cosmic scale. Kardashev's original scale stopped at Type 3. But futurists have extended it further. Type 4, a civilization that harnesses the energy of the entire universe. It could control dark energy, black holes, and perhaps rewrite the laws of physics themselves. Type 5, a civilization that operates across multiple universes. If the multiverse is real, a Type 5 civilization could leap between universes, shaping entire realities. This is pure speculation. But it shows how the Kardashev scale pushes imagination. It asks, what are the ultimate limits of intelligence? So, why are we there yet? The first challenge is survival. Civilizations may not live long enough to reach higher types. They might destroy themselves through war, climate collapse, or resource exhaustion. This idea connects to the Great Filter, the possibility that most civilizations fail before advancing far. The second challenge is energy itself. The engineering required for Dyson Spheres or galactic power is far beyond our reach. And the third challenge is ethical. Should civilizations expand endlessly? Or should they balance growth with sustainability? The Kardashev scale raises not just scientific questions, but philosophical ones too. Right now, we're still young. Around 0.72 on the scale. But our energy use grows every year. Advances in fusion, solar satellites, and quantum technology bring us closer. Will we reach Type 1 in the next few centuries? Will we rise further to Dyson Spheres in Type 2? Or even ascend to galactic power? No one knows. But the Kardashev scale gives us a map of possibility. It reminds us that the story of humanity is not bound to Earth alone. It is written in the stars. So, what do you think? Will humanity rise up the Kardashev scale? Or will we fall before reaching Type 1? Could civilizations out there already live as Type 2 or Type 3, watching us from afar? Subscribe to ScienceMined for more mind-blowing science facts every week. Because when it comes to the future of civilizations, today's dreams may be tomorrow's destiny.